Hello, hi, welcome back to JavaScript video. This is part number 5. Today I'm going to talk about for loop. So what is for loop? Why we'll use for loop? So these are the for loop I am going to discuss. So quickly I move to the editor, JavaScript editor, JavaScript online compiler. Just click this. So here already there is some code. I will remove this code. So here, so before this I'll tell you something. So here console.log, and you want to print, assume 1. So when you run this program, you click on this run, it will print 1. Again you want to be printed this one 2, or something you want to print this 2 statement. Again you want 3, another time you want the statement like this. When you click this, it will print 1 2. For example, I will give 3 here. So you want these 3 statement to be executed one by one. So if there are 100, you have to print 100 times the console.log. So instead of that, there is a loop concept here. In every program there is a loop concept. Here I'll go this. So here let okay, I'll print like this. So here what I'm doing is I'm declaring I, which is I is equal to 0 initially, and I less than 10. So I want to print 1 2 3. So that means, for example, I want to print welcome. This welcome I want to print 10 times. So just what you need to do is you have to use for loop. This is for loop, and what it will do is it will initialize the I value 0 and will check the condition. 0 is less than 10, yes, true. Then it will come and print this. I'll print this one. So 10 times it will print the welcome. So here what we'll do is initially I is equal to 0. 0 is less than 10, yes, true. Then it will print this one. Again it will come here. It won't go here. This will execute only once. Let I is equal to 10, I is equal to 0, will execute once, and next time the I value incremented here. I plus means I is equal to 0 0 plus 1. Now I become 1. 1 is less than 10, yes, true. Then again it will print this. Until this condition is true, then this will execute. Once the condition is false, it will come out of the loop. I'll just print here. Done. This done statement execute once this condition is false. So if you see here, it has printed the welcome 10 times. Once the condition, when 10 is equal less than 10, the condition false, it will come, it will print this one. It means when you want to execute the statement multiple times, you want to execute this statement multiple times, then you have to use this. 1 minute. So like this it will execute. So here again one more time I will repeat. This statement let I is equal to 0 will execute only once. This is initializing and declaring the variable. You can do like this also. Let I you can do like this. You don't need to give here let. So let you are declaring the variable I here and you are initializing the value. I is equal to 0. First I is equal to 0 then and it will check the condition. 0 is less than 10, true. It will print this. Again, once it print, it will increment the value. That means I 0 plus 1. I plus means 0 plus 1. It will be like this. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Again, I value will be 1. 1 is less than 10. Yes, true. Again, it will print. Like this, it will go till 10. When I become 10, 10 is less than 10. No, false. Then it will come and it will print the value. So like this you can use the for loop. For example, I want to print the I value. Just whatever the I value is there, that I value I want to print. I want to print welcome as well as what is I value. So I'll put dot here. Whatever you give inside this quotes, it will print and I value will print it. See here. So I value is printed. Welcome and 0 first and welcome 1 like this. All the I value. When 10 is less than 10, no, false. Then it will come out and print it. So you can do anything. You can I value. Just you give like this. I value. So I value. So whatever you give inside these quotes, it will print this. Once you give comma and I, then I value. This is how the for loop will work. And this for loop is very important. No, in all the automation, we need to use this for loop for different scenarios. So you need to understand this well, very well. Okay, and for example, now this is I want printing I value 0 1 2 3 4 9 like this. Now I want to print first 9 then 8 like that. So what I need to do, I need to give 10 here and 10 is greater than 0. Here instead of I is going to plus, I need to give. Here what I am doing, initially I am assigning the value as 10. 10 is greater than 0. Yes, 10 is greater than 0. Now it will print the 10 value. It will print the 10 value. Then next time I'm incrementing, I'm decrementing this. I minus means 10 minus, it will be 10 minus 1. It will be 9. Again it will be 9 minus 1. It will be 8. Like this, 8 minus 1. Like that it will print till 1. So when 1 is, when I become 1, 1 is greater than 0, yes it print. When it become 1 minus 1, finally it will be 1 minus 1. So 0. 0 is when I become 0, 0 is greater than 0, no. It will come out here. Like this, you can use to print the multiple values by checking the different conditions. This is also printing 10 times, but I use different logic. Initially I have given I is got 10, then checking the condition 10 is greater than 0, yes, When the condition is true, then this will execute. When come false, it will come here. When it will be false, when I is equal to 0, 0 is greater than 0, no, false, then it will come. So like this, you can use the for loop for the different purposes. And this is very important. You need to understand whenever you do the automation, this for loop, while loop, switch case, all this will be very helpful. Now I printed this one. I want to print, before printing this, I want to print the dash dash dash, something star star star, something dash 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 I want to print. And after it print, so now it will, what will do, when the condition is true, then it will print this one, and it will execute this statement also, because this is there inside a block, this block for block. So if you see here, first it will print a dash dash dash. You see here, it printed the dash dash and this one, again printed this dash 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 and printed like this. For example, you want at the end, you want star star. Here first it will print this dash 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 line, then execute this one, then it will execute this star. So until this condition is true, all these statements will execute. Anything you can put inside this. You can put another statement here. You want to put something dollar dollar dollar. See, it printed the dash dash first one, this statement, then it entered this one, I value, and it printed the star, this one, then it printed the dollar dollar. So like this, whatever you put inside this condition, whatever you put inside this block, this for loop block, everything will execute until the condition is true. Once the condition is false, it will come at print this one. And you can print 5 times also. For example, initially 5 value. So 5 it will print, then 4, then 3, then 2, like that it will print only till. So it will start from the 5. Why? Because I have given initial values of 5. If we give 3, it will start from 3. And 3, 2, 1. When I becomes 0 and condition false, this condition false, it will come and print this one. Like this, until the condition is true, this block of code will execute. This is for loop, and this is very important. When you do the automation, it will be very helpful for you. If you are a fresher, this will help you a lot. And I made it very simple to understand. So in general, when you write the code, you have to write like this. You have to write like this, the flower bucket, and the flower bucket should be closed here. This is the coding standard, and after that you need to write the coding. You can write at the front also, here also it is starting this is the coding standard, coding style. You need to write the code like this. So this is all about for loop. Okay, for example, I'll just I'll start from 10. I want to print all the even numbers. I'll start like this, is equal to I plus 2. So here what I am doing is, initially I is equal to 10. I don't want all this one. So initially I is equal to 10. 10 is greater than 0. Yes. 10 is greater than 0. Yes. Then it will print the I value. First it will print the 10. 10. Acha, here -2. So I want to print 10 and then 8, then 6 and 4 like this. So here what I am doing is, I am, instead of -1, I am doing -2. So initial value with I is equal to 10. 10 is greater than 0. Yes, true. It will print the 10 here. Then 10 minus 2. The next statement, I is equal to 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 means 8. Now the I value will be 8. Then you can check the condition. 8 is greater than 0. Yes, it will run. So when the I becomes 0, 0 is greater than 0. No, false. It will come out like this. This is how you can use the for loop. There are a lot of ways for your automation. We'll use this when you want to retrieve the multiple values from the um, drop down, when you want to retrieve the values from the list, when you want to uh, retrieve the data from the web table, like that. For such scenarios, this will be very useful. Hope you understood this one. So this is all about today's video. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about the other loops. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Same thing you can do in the VS Code also. I'll just execute this. If you have the VS Code, just go to VS Code. If you don't have the VS Code, you can practice in the online. If you have VS Code in your machine, so here I'll write this code here. How to run in the VS Code means, write the code here. 2 times divided by, okay. You have to write the code like this in the VS Code. So here you can write like this also. You can write like this. So here what I'm doing is, you go to VS Code, go to terminal here, just click this, or if you don't get terminal, you click here view and click on the terminal. You'll get this one, and here you need to type this one, node dot means it is in a root folder, this file slash test.js. Just run this. It will print the same value what it is printing in the online editor. Okay, so better to practice in the VS Code. Until you install the VS Code in your machine, you can practice in the online editor also. So this is all about today's video, for loop and different ways how you can use for loop by using greater than the symbol, less than symbol. So hope you understood. Please share your, subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.